What up, everybody? It's your boy Young Fizz, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we are back inside of the machine, and today I'm going to be working with the Maschine Studio. What I'm about to do on the Maschine Studio can be done in other controllers as well. Before I get into the tutorial, I need you guys to go ahead and hit that like button. Please hit that subscribe button, and please don't forget to turn on the bell notification so when I drop a new video, you are the first one to be notified. All right, so today's video is going to be programming your first beat inside a machine. So we want to get up and going inside the machine, and we want to be able to program a beat quickly. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to do that quickly inside the Maschine Studio. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that we want to do is go ahead and set the project BPMs. And to do that, we can either do tap tempo by hitting tap, or we can hold down tap. That's going to highlight our little jog wheel here, and we can rotate it until we have a desired tempo. So I'm just going to go ahead and press the metronome here. That's going to engage the metronome. And as soon as I hit the restart button, it's going to start playing. So let's go ahead and apply what we just learned and rotate our tempo. All right, so now we got our BPMs there. And so I'm going to go ahead and load up a sound now because we have 16 sound slots that are open for us to use. So we're going to go ahead and load a sample real quickly. And to do that, all we have to do is hit the jog wheel here. So we press in on the jog wheel, and then your menu is going to come up here in your Maschine Controller. And I'm just going to go ahead and load a kick real quick. Nice little sub. I can change the decay. I can change the tune. Let's go ahead and use that right there. So let's go ahead and hit Shift Record to start recording, and we're going to program a little rhythm here. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and quantize that. So to hard quantize, we just hit quantize. If you want to quantize it by 50%, you just hold down the shift button and hit quantize, and that's going to quantize it by 50%. But in this tutorial, we're going to use the 100% quantize just by hitting the quantize button. All right, so let's go ahead and load up our next sound. We're going to hit the pad number 2, and that's going to take us right there. And we're going to go ahead and click the jog wheel again, and then we're going to go down to snare. But instead of using this sound right here, we want to go ahead and do a clap. So I'm gonna go ahead and load a clap here, and we're gonna use this one right here. Change the decay. So I'm just gonna tune it just a little bit. All right, let's go ahead and drop that in there. Shift record. All right, so that is sounding good. We're going to go ahead and do 100% quantize again just by hitting the quantize button. And that's going to knock it right into place for us. Okay, so a new trick I want to introduce you guys is to the swing button here. So let me go ahead and show you guys how quickly it is to add a swing to the kick here. So what you want to do is hold down this pad here. So I'm going to go ahead and hold it down, and then I can go ahead and hit function here. This is the arrow over, and it says swing. So notice how when I change the swing up here, you're gonna see it change up here. All right, so let's go ahead and do this in real time. All right, so that's something that you guys could add to your little trick bag there. So the next thing I want to go ahead and do, I'm feeling like the clap is a little dry, so I want to add a reverb to the clap here. So I'm gonna go ahead and select the clap, but notice it says the snare button right here, which is our clap. But I don't want to load a sound on top of this. I want to load a sound beside it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and hit the arrow over button, and that's gonna be an empty slot. And I can go back to my jog wheel and click my jog wheel, and I can scroll down until I find a reverb. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the metaverb here. And it's going to load right up. And now I can adjust my controls in real time. Perfection here. All right, so that's all I really wanted to show you guys today was just the swing and also just programming your first beat inside a machine. So I hope you guys found this tutorial to be helpful. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching, and we're out.